Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to add shipping address on Goat. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So in this case, we are in the goat.com website. So simply when we go to our profile, which is located at the top right, and go to our profile section here, you should be able to see the shipping address section. But the problem here is we don't have the option that says add shipping address. Well, for you to add your shipping address into your account is we first have to add an item that we want to buy. So in this case, I'm just going to go back to goat.com here, and we want to choose any item here, just to give you an example. So let's just wait for it, and from here, maybe you want to choose this shoe here. Let's go ahead and choose this one. And from here, we want to select the item, like for example, the size for it. So I'm going to choose this one. And from here, just click on select. Now, once I've selected that, it's going to load up the shipping address section, where in this case, you just need to provide the following information, which includes your full name, your country, the street address number 2, which is optional, the city, postal code, state, and phone number. Now, also, it's going to display the shipping method here. So this item ships to Goat first for verification, and standard is $40. Now, once you've done that, just click on continue to payment. It's going to redirect you to payment, and you should be able to see the shipping address there as well. Now, from here on, just fill out the details here, and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.